This is a wonderful estate. Welcome to the newest estate of P1 Royal. This is Excel Court Eleko. Excel Court Eleko is a very wonderful estate, strategically located. This is just 150 meters away from the beach. As you can see there, 150 meters away from the beach. It's a very wonderful land. Okay, of course you can see the land is so nice and wonderful. It's going to be a very wonderful resort. Okay, from the beach side, we're going to have duplexes here, we're going to have bungalows here. It's going to be well planned, enough security. Okay, a very serene environment. Everything will be well planned. Trust P1 Royal, as she does what she knows how to do best. Okay, 600 square meters, of course it's 2.2, and then for 300 square meters we're selling for, of course, 1.1, and for the 450 square meter, if in case you want that. And we have wonderful payment plans for you. Of course, we understand that there are people that would not want to buy outrightly, so we have wonderful payment plans that can help you make this payment at your comfort, no matter what you do, no matter who you are, whether you're a pensioner, a student. We have made this wonderful for you so that you can invest in your future. Welcome to Excel Court Eleko. Welcome to P1 Royal, and welcome to P1 Group. Thank you so much. My name is Austin Ejiofor. Thank you.